So if there is a field that is advancing so fast is when it comes to robotics and AI. Of course, as of now, there is an issue of it being profitable and it looks like it's not yet profitable. But now there's this new robot that just came from China and it looks so different from what we've been seeing before. So this is a humanoid robot, just the normal humanoid robots that we've been seeing, but now it can be able to transform itself into a robot dog. So in case you wanted to do tasks that are not needed for a humanoid robot, it can be able to transform itself into a robot dog. And apart from this, also it can be able to fly on its own, like it can be able to transform itself into a flying robot. Like now just imagine if such a machine is adopted for military use, how this can be scary. So the name of this robot is called the MX-01 and it comes from a company that is based in Shenzhen. This is a location in China where most of these robotic startups are based as of now. And the name of this company is called Actual Robotics, and they've made this robot to be in such a way that it can be able to do things in a human environment. If it is in a situation where it needs to operate like a robot dog, it can be able to do so. And I've also seen that they're developing future developments to have this robot to have wheels on it, so when it transforms into like a robot dog, it can be able to use wheels and be able to move fast and agile, like how we've been seeing from unitary robot dogs, and then it can fly from one place to another. So say the robot is moving from place A to B and then it gets to a point where there's an issue with mobility, maybe you are unable to access a certain point, and the robot can be able to fly itself from one location to the other. Of course, the company has not yet released a lot of information yet in regards to maybe what is the payload, like if it's flying, what is the payload it can be able to carry. But say in the future, if it can be able to carry a person, when you're flying with it and you can be able to hang on it and it pushes you from one location, you fly over a certain location to another location, like over valley and all stuff like that. It could be interesting. Now also important to note is that also the company has not yet released more information, again like other videos. There's just this one video that you can be able to see from their website and also from their YouTube channel. I've just seen this one video, and sometimes when there is only one video you can have questions like, is this really AI, or was it AI generated, or is it real something that they're working on? But I've seen on their website that they've also opened pre-orders already and they want people to go ahead and pre-order this thing. And I guess in the near future we're going to see more images or more videos, and once I see new videos updated coming out, of course I'll keep you guys updated and will be posting as soon as I see it. So make sure you hit the sub and like button. But it also scares you in the fact that assuming such a robot is used in the military, like now just imagine if such a machine is adopted for military use, how this can be scary, because the same machine, it can be able to carry a weapon or a gun like a human, but then it can be able to fly and go high up and be able to do aerial attacks on you from the sky when it's flying. More like now a drone, but now much better than a drone. A drone that can land and walk on the surface. It can now be able to even ride on the surface with 4 wheels, and then it can be able to fly itself high and take you out. So it's crazy how robotics is heading.